gosh, guys, I'm geeking out over this. So this is, let me go back so that you can see like what this looks like. When you sign in as an instructor, you have all of these things starting from mental math, all the way down to uh, geometry, right? So in geometry, they have this thing like called constructions, and I'm like, how are they gonna do this? Are they just gonna have questions where students identify constructions? Well, I clicked on it. I was curious, and look what I found. So they're asking students to use a compass and straight edge, blah, 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 to construct perpendicular bisectors. You know the lingo. But they have compasses that we would use and make circles. Now, I think this is a good idea for us to use. We could use this and model it for students using a loom. So there's this, there's the pencil, which no matter what, you can't really draw off of it. And then once you're done with that, check this out. You could just move that same construction that you did towards the other side. What I like about this is that we can talk about theory. Like, why is it that the center of this one and the center of that one, well, whatever. Our final step is to make a line. And when we submit our answer, they ask, are you sure? And then, isn't that so freaking cool? I love it. I can't wait to show you guys.